Okay, now we're out here on a cold winter's day in December. Taking off from behind the house. It's just going to be a quick flight.
Home point updated.
We're up here about 30 feet. It gets a look at its home point. And we'll go on up here. Go up to about 120 foot. Yeah, I went a little too high. I'll bring it back down some. There we go. And then we'll run down here by Noble Prentice. And we will turn it back around and come back. Down here to the end of the roadway here. There's a little valley there. They got something growing down there that I'm not sure about. They've got it going. Anyway, looks like there's a fire. Somebody burning some leaves. There's Noble Prentice School. Right there, that's an elementary school. And the rest of it's just neighborhood. Now we'll come back. I fly this pretty much all the time. 2-3 times a week. I don't post all the videos that I fly. But every once in a while. I'll put music to them and put them up. Here's the other half of the neighborhood. Those trees are really beautiful in the fall. This is where I get a lot of my shots, fall shots from. In the back there, you see downtown Kansas City. Let's see if we can zoom in on that a little bit. See the tall buildings of downtown Kansas City. That's Kansas City, Missouri. And let's go over to the left here. Now I've got the Mini 4, so I can't zoom in on it, but right down there is where downtown airport's at. With the Mavic 3, I can zoom in and watch planes take off from here. Inland. But anyway, back around here, got the Sprint building down there, KCMO Tower. That big red tower is the KCMO Tower. And we're coming up on KU Hospital. That's KU Hospital right there. You're looking back over into the Kansas area. And I'll try to get a shot of the sun real quick. Turn it around here. Some cranes in the distance. And there's the sun. Shining bright. But anyhow, that's going to do it for this flight. We have to watch air traffic here. It's really heavy. And that's it. Greg out. Hope you enjoyed. And thank you for watching. Bye now.